Hey y'all, I just want to show y'all how to devein shrimp. So y'all see me, I have a jumbo shrimp. So as you see, the top is deveined, but the bottom is not. So what I do is I hold the head towards me, the tail this way. So I'm gonna do it opposite way. So basically it's like this. And I take my small knife, I use a small knife, and I just go all the way down till you see no more. Oh, all the way down till you see no more. And I just pull it right on out. Sometimes they don't come out in whole pieces, but if you know, do it like that, it will come all out in whole pieces. See? So it's real easy to devein shrimp. I don't know why everybody thinks it's so hard, but it's very easy to devein shrimp. I'm gonna show y'all again. So I'm gonna flip it. The head is towards me and the tail is pointed a different way. I'm gonna hold it, take it, go all the way down. So basically gonna cut through the layer of the poop. I didn't know what other word to say, like poop, and take it out. See, this time it came all the way out. But yeah, take it out, and then that's how you devein shrimp, everybody. I think this is the most easiest way I learned how to devein shrimp, to be honest, because I don't know what other way how to devein shrimp. So yeah, I hope this helps anybody that doesn't know or is learning how to devein shrimp. So yeah.